Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa and I would like to talk to you guys who are tired of traditional diets that don't work, who are trying to lose weight without help, but don't like to exercise. In this video, I want to present you an amazing solution. I'm talking about the Smoothie Diet. Watch this video until the end. I have great news for you about the Smoothie Diet. Before, I want to give you a very important warning to help you access the Smoothie Diet Original. I left the link to the official page in the description of this video. Avoid imitations. The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary new life transformation system. Then they're not only guaranteed to help you to lose weight and feel better than you have in years. It also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. The secret that makes this Smoothie Diet so effective is the custom 3-week weight loss schedule. All the smoothies are given in a very specific sequence and frequency to maximize your results. For example, nutrient ingredient ratios vary each week to week to make sure the weight keeps coming off and it stays off. With the Smoothie Diet, all you have to do is replace certain meals with the smoothie recipes. Then watch as the pounds melt down effortlessly in your body and your energy levels skyrocket. If you're looking for a completely light transformation over the next 3 weeks, then you are in the right place. Whether you need to lose the last 5-10 pounds or you want to get rid of 4 pounds or more, this will work for you. The diet is extremely flexible, so even though this program is 21 days, you can continue using it for as long as you want and you can lose as much weight as you want. Dramatic weight loss isn't the only one of the numerous benefits you get from this diet. How would you like more energy, clear skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stabilized blood sugar, and more? You're only 21 days away from this. See what you get from the Smoothie Diet 21 Days program. We're getting the full 21 days health improvement program. Over 36 fast melting meals replacement, smoothie recipes, shopping list for each week to make super simple to get everything you need, smoothie making tips, and pre-guided to make sure there are 0 errors and to make sure you spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your new confidence and energy levels. Now, see some before and after results from people who lost weight from this amazing diet. This is Sarah. She dropped 3 pounds in 8 days. See now Danielle, who lost 8 pounds in 1 week. You can access all the testimonials and results. They are in the official page from the Smoothie Diet in the link I left in the description of the video. Well folks, I hope this video helped you. Now go to the official website of the Smoothie Diet in the description of this video, and there you will have more information about this fantastic and revolutionary diet. In this link that I left in the description, you will have access to the official diet, plus the 60 days guarantee, plus 2 super bonus. So that was it all people. Leave a like to give us some strength and thank you so much.